गुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथमीतं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान् सहगण ललिता श्री विशाखातमीश्च भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवाचार्य गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. Yesterday it was the question, but I forgot to read that you mentioned yesterday that you can be purified, we can be purified by the association of pure devotee, etc. Is it realistic for us to expect wholesale transformation? Can we expect our deep-seated nature to change in this lifetime? It is very difficult. Whatever deep-seated nature since our childhood already in our heart, it is very difficult, but it is possible. Everything is possible by the grace of Lord. Lord mercy come down through the pure devotees. Therefore we should carefully associate with pure devotees. Or do we have to wait until our next lifetime for a major transformation of our nature to become released? But our Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he said, in this lifetime. In this lifetime, we can deliver. But we have to be sincerely associate with pure devotee. Whatever they say, we have to follow. Surrender means there is no any kind of question mark in our mind. Just like to whom I have faith, we have to believe that. Krishna Mukti. Question by Joy Bhakti Devi. Is it an offense if I don't tell others that I am associating with devotees? I cannot understand. This is good. Why it is offense? If someone think it is offensive, I think some opposition is there in order to respect the devotees' association, devotion. That time we can hide ourselves. But if we meet someone pure devotee, better for us. If we meet someone, some pure devotee, we have to always share what he said, how he like, everything we have right to share. No offense, but situation. If there is antagonistic mood, those people may commit offense to whom you feel friends. In order to save all of them from the offense, you can hide. Not to tell, don't tell them. But otherwise it is open. Krishna is universal. His devotees, association universal, everything perfect. And well, the Damodar. No question from Damodar. Just now Damodar sent me one question. Dandavat Pranam. If a senior devotee asks for number of rounds, we are chanting and there is a possibility that senior devotee will tell others as an example. What should we do? Publicly, if we ask, it is not fair. Actually, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Apanna bhajana katha na kaiya jatha tatha. Means our practice, our realization, we should not speak in publicly. Na kaiya jatha tatha means public place. But senior devotee personally asking, yeah, we can do that. There is no harm. What should I do? I don't know. He is asking publicly or it is good if he is giving example. That is his matter. He will, senior devotee means he know the tattva. So accordingly he will use the tattva. Bhaktarupo. Yesterday, not today. Anyway, this much. My God, again Damodar sending a question. Damodar. Yeah, publicly, as I told you, this publicly is not possible. It is not proper, I can say. Publicly is not proper to ask how many rounds you are chanting, how many, better to follow Bhaktivinoda Thakur instruction. This sincere devotee, they are not sharing. They always ignoring our questions if we ask. Why? Because they may say, minimum number I am chanting. So what is the actually how many numbers, his minimum number, he never shared with us. So I have seen my spiritual master. Whenever anybody come and asking him, Maharaj, my mind not concentrated while I was chanting. Then he used to say, Sab Sial and Ek Dag. Means, Sial means fox. When fox barking, everybody together barking, same way. That means, this expression of this expression, meaning of the expression is this, that I am also not able to concentrate to chant. You understand what I say? He also say this, I am here in the Gaudiya Math more than 72 years, but still I am not able to concentrate. But I am trying. We should not believe that. So senior devotee, they are not able to share their ability of spiritual practice publicly. Anyway, so I don't think there's any more question here. Let me check. Okay, no more question here. So we have to go our daily lesson. Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. Madhya Lila, 8th chapter. So we have to read that. Dhyo Madhya Jivir Kartabya Kon Dhyan. Meditation, among the all meditation. What is your duty to meditate? Which meditation is your duty to meditate? Radha Krishna Padam Bhuja Dhyana Pradham. Most important or preference, first preference to meditate Radha Krishna's Padam Bhujo. Radha Krishna's lotus feet. Radha Krishna's lotus feet. Why? Because that is our eternal home. Now, wherever we are, it is all temporary home. Body finish means body expire. When our soul passes our body, or when we die, our relation with our accommodation, with our relative, everything finish. This is material world, temporary everything. But Radha Krishna's lotus feet eternal, because they are eternal. Brahma said. Brahmaji explained. Sat Chit Ananda. Sat means eternal. Chit means transcendental. The two quality applicable for Krishna. Ananda, this quality applicable for Radharani. Sat Chit Ananda, if you really want to realize, then we have to think about Radha Krishna. Narottam Thakur also explained, Sri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sadhana. Sri Guru Devas means, Sri means Radharani. Radharani, your real Acharya, real Guru, and her Charan Padma, her lotus feet, only home for all living beings. Only the home for all living beings. This is the meaning. Sri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakti Sadhana. Bande Mui Savadhanamati. We have to pray very careful manner. Extremely carefully. Careful manner if you are not doing, then if you are not praying, then we are not able to reach. So therefore, our Guru Varga gave us Mahamantra. Mahamantra means Radha Krishna. Think about Radha Krishna. Radha Krishna's Padambujo. While you are chanting Hare Krishna, we should think about Radha Krishna. Then where? If you are not able to think about eternal abode, think about temple. Vrindavan Radha Govinda Day, Mandavardhan, Mayadika Vadikara, Sabdas. So, Vrindavan temple, Radha Govinda temple, you can think about. Or Jaipur Radha Govinda temple, think about. Anyhow, we have to think. Namaschintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Namaschintamani. Nama, the holy name, a thought fulfilling stone. Whatever we think, it is going to fulfill. If we think about lotus feet, then we can reach lotus feet. Like Bharat Maharaj, during the time of our physical departure, whatever we think, we will reach there, right? So during the time of physical departure, in Bengal, they are, the whole life they are not chanting. But during the time of departure, they are hiring some people who they are intoxicated also. But this is a ritual manner they chant. They bring a group of people and they should chant the whole time. And when they bring in the dead body, nowadays a car is available, but before it was not. Even the village still not car. The village you have to make a bamboo type bed, put it there and bring it there and chanting this. Balahari, let's chant the name of Lord Hari. Balahari means like this. And then everybody, others, one person leading and others they are telling Hari Bol. Everybody telling Hari Bol. This way they are bringing. So it seems like when they are going ahead with they're keeping 4 people, they're keeping on their shoulder that structure, wooden structure, and 4 people size also different, and village road also not smooth, different, really bumpy. So when they are walking, their bodies, every part they are properly bind, but not this part. Because of this bumpy road and different size of the people, while they are chanting Balahari and say Hari Bol, everybody is repeating Hari Bol. It looks like his neck like this because of the bumpy road and different size of people, shoulder. Different people and different size. So always neck moving like this way. So In mind, if we look, then he can feel. He tried to say with such expression, before I never say, I don't like to say now. Hari Bol. Therefore, we should not think that, okay, if it is so, physical departure, whatever we think, accordingly that place. So just one day before a physical departure, we can think about Radha. May have some plan, but during the time of physical departure, you can see it is not working, always coming different topics. Even if you are chanting like Ajamil, he chanted, but no sadhana, no deliverance. Sadhana means no spiritual practice, not able to deliver. We are not able to deliver from this miserable mundane world. We have to give sadhana. Therefore, Ajamil, 12 years he was here for sadhana purpose. So think about it. Don't make your own plan. Better to make your plan on the base of Shastra. What Shastra says? Shastra says that জীবন সমাপ্ত কালে করিব ভজন এবে করি গৃহ সুখ এ কথা নাহি বলে কখনো ভিক্ষজন means during the time of my physical departure I will serve you in mind, but let's me enjoy family life now. But family life not, there is no enjoyment. I think there is suffering, right? If there is a loyal husband, loyal wife, loyal children, if not there, there is all whole day suffering. So anyway, so this is Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed. Jivana samapta kale koribo bhajan. Samapta kala during the time of physical departure, end of life. I will chant your name, I will serve you in mind, but let me enjoy my ebe kori kiho sukh. Let me enjoy the happiness of family life. Let me enjoy this family life now. This is not intellectual people. Intellectual people not thinking about it. Real intellectual people. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Ajiva satek vatsya avashya maran. Today or in between my 100-year-old, obviously I will die. Nischinte na thako bhai, joto shighra paro sevo govinda charan. The Bhaktivinoda Thakur also said, Nischinta, don't stay simply and not thinking about your spirituality. Don't do that. Think your spirituality from now. What is the spirituality? Joto shighra, as soon as possible, serve the lotus feet of Govinda. So this is the instruction of our previous teacher. We have to serve. We have to, the spirituality means fixing our mind. Fixing our mind to the lotus feet of divine couple. Divine couple. To the lotus feet of divine couple. This is the most important part for this human life. This is the kartavya, this is the duty. Loving manner we have to do, this is the duty. Therefore our Guru Varga gave us chanting beads, teaching us to chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. So if you are not able to think about spiritual abode, at least think about different temple deities, like our Goswami's temple deities, Jaipur, Govindaji temple. If you go there, you can feel that there is atmosphere. Although they are not like a sannyasi brahmachari, but people from Jaipur coming, almost all Jaipur coming to that particular time to take darshan of this arati. That's arati early morning, I think 4:15. They have arati 4:15. Govindaji arati. So huge crowd, and there is different group, they are chanting different way. And you can feel they are chanting wholeheartedly. And the police, woman police, man police, with the police uniform, they are coming, they are chanting, they are dancing. It's very attractive atmosphere. This is not run by any Gaudiya Math or ISKCON, run by the, actually, I think Govindaji himself running that. Otherwise it is not possible. Such a nice manner they are managing all the programs, and Govindaji attracting all the residents of Jaipur in front of him. It's very attractive. Huge Sankirtan hall. And also clean. Everybody has free access. Someone is reading some Shastra, someone sitting and chanting Gayatri, someone chanting and dancing. Different activity, different. No, everyone just like a blissful atmosphere, you can say. No one control. Hey, you cannot chant this, you cannot do that, you have to sit like this, you have to do like this. There is no control at all. But atmosphere very attractive. To think about it, Radha Krishna Padam Bhujo, Dhyana Pradhan. Radha Govinda is actually our Harinam, goal of chanting Harinam to reach Radha Govinda's lotus feet. Krishna naam hote paave Krishna charan. Through chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, we can have the lotus feet of Krishna. So Hare Krishna Maha Mantra chanting, only purpose to think about Radha Krishna's Padam Bhojo. Even we are chanting, whenever praying obeisance to Radha Govinda, then the mantra we are chanting, we can think about in that way. I think I explained it. Divyada Vindaranna Kalpotrumadha. Divyo Vrindavan means transcendental Vrindavan. There is Kalpa Briksha. Kalpa Drum means tree. Kalpa Drum means Kalpa Briksha means wishful fulfilling tree. Adha means under the tree. What is there? Shimad Ratnagaro Singhasana throne. There is a Singhasana throne. Throne made with diamonds. Ratnagara. Ratna means diamond. Who is sitting there? Shri Radha Govinda. On the Singhasan, Radha Govinda sitting there. Just think about this. If you want to more deep, then add Prasthalivi. Prishto means very dearest, nearest associate of Radha Govinda. Who are they? 8 principles. So please think about their surrounding. What they are doing? Shippamanam. Service. They are doing service. Think about it. Know how? At least you think about it. During chanting, you have to think. What do you think? That will be your destination during leaving your body. During the departure of our body, where to go? What do you think whole time? Where you fix your mind? You can see some people have such tendency. Anything happen, they are always thinking that Krishna's desire. Like Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj, one of our Guru Varga, Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj. Even someone coming to say something about anybody's, or not say, criticizing somebody in front of him, he just clapping. Krishna Bolo, Krishna Bolo. Let us chant Krishna, let us chant Krishna. I left it. That I saw in my own eyes. He used to do that. Therefore, most of the Western people, they are calling him Akinchana Krishna Dada. Akinchana means fully free from all material attachment. Completely free from all material attachment. They are called Akinchana. Therefore, the people are asking, adding one word in him, Akinchana Krishna Das Babaji. 24 hours he used to chant. Radha Krishna Padambuji used to meditate. So anyway, so there is also, I can explain Radha Krishna, how we would think about during chanting, but it will be too much. Therefore I just go next. Saturday I am giving class on Harinam. Last week, not Saturday, Sunday. Yeah. Sunday at 9 o'clock, according to the Bolivian devotees arrangement, I am giving class. According to the request also, so they are keeping subject matter Hare Krishna Mahamantras explanation. So I can do that class. Then let me तस्मादिकन मनसा भगवान सत्तंपति श्रोतव्यो कीर्तितवश्च ध्यो पूज्यश्च नित्यदा. Nityada means nitya. Nitya means eternal. Srotavya, listen. What? To glories of Radha Krishna. In that way, we can meditate. Kirtivas kirtitavascha. There is kirti means the pastimes. Kirti means the name, fame, or the Krishna how lift up Govardhan hill, Krishna how drink all the fire, how Radharani and Krishna used to meet each other in Vrindavan Dham. Just to Kirti, name, fame, their best fame is Krishna's fame. Best friend is Radharani's fame. Think about it. Smartabbo, smaran. Srotabbo, hearing. Smartabbo means smaran, remembering. Think about that. In this way, always I'm telling, spirituality means fixing our mind. Dhyan means also fixing our mind. Where to fix? The glories of Radha Krishna. Hearing the glories of Radha Krishna. Then think about kirti, fame, name, all the pastimes, attractive pastimes. And smartabbo, Bhagavano. Acha, smartabbo kirti vascha dhyo. Dhyo means dhyana, fame. In that way, we have to pujyascha nittada, eternally. We have to worship in that way, hearing and be remembering the pastimes, their fame, name, fame, such pastimes. The next, Sarbotaji Jiver Kartabbo Kahaba Vrindavana Bhumi Jahan Nitya Lila Raj. Sarbotaji means who give up everything, all material attachment. Who give up all material attachment. No Vishaya Vasana means no sense enjoyment object. No desire for sense enjoyment object. Such type of people, what is the actual duty to live? Which place they are supposed to live? As a duty, which place they are supposed to live? Bhash means live. Then Raya Ramananda says, Vrindavana Bhumi Jaha Nitya Lila Raj. Vrindavan land. They're eligible to stay at Vrindavan. Jaha Nitya Lila Raj, where eternally Rasa Lila taking place. This is Vrindavan Hoy. That is the place. Sarbotaji really give up all the material attachment. Sarbotaji means like that. No attachment. Even if you give some money, they don't want money. But nowadays you can see that Vrindavan, so many people in the name of Gosala, they are collecting so much money, but cows are suffering. This is fact. If you go each Gosala, you can ask our Joydev University. When our problem to keep cow in Java, no proper water, too short place. Then I told him to go and search all the Gosala, which is nice Gosala, then we can keep all the cow over there. Then what he felt experience, you can ask him. It looks like all the cows, they're waiting for die, right? It's how they keep the cow in all Gosala. But they're collecting a lot of money from abroad. Also government give them free land. So just collecting money, collecting donation. Even so many, like recently I heard that 3 devotees, they make a conspiracy. Cheat government and cheat donor and cheat themselves too. Purpose? Get some money. 100 crore rupees someone give, and 50 crore rupees 50 crore rupees they will keep, 50 crore rupees they will give back, but they will give receipt 100 crore. Such type of, I don't know exactly, but that plan. I completely astonished to hear that we are coming here to become free from material attachment. And why we need such type of plan? It's like a cheating Vrindavan Dham, cheating entire Guru Parampara, cheating themselves too. Actual fact is that Vrindavan is not place for doing any material business. I can give my example. Know this. When I was in 1983, I was student that time. My grandfather suggested to open one factory here in Mathura. In this regard, he purchased that Gopinath Hira house. I will stay there and manage this factory. But he says, first you have to ask Gurudev. Although I was not initiated that time, but in mind I accept Srila Gurudev. He is my Gurudev. Whenever he feel to give me initiation, I will accept initiation. So anyway, so 83 when I came, it was in Chaitanya Gaudiya Math, Calcutta, in his room. I reached there around 4 p.m. I asked him, grandfather, thinking me to engage myself to do business, because he has planned to open one factory in Mathura. I have to look after that factory. Then he says, Vrindavan, business, such expression. No. This is our Guru Varga's expression. So Vrindavan is not place for making business and making money. Only place to render service wholeheartedly Radha Krishna and his devotees, wholeheartedly serve them. This is the business. We can do that. And material business? Absolutely no. We may think that how people will survive here if there is no shop. Yeah. But they are coming, they have to be here for doing business. They are businessmen. They can do that. But when we are coming here for practicing path of devotion, or only one goal, no business, only business is this, to render service Radha Krishna and his pure devotees. So this is the purpose we have to live here. Our duty, when we feel we want to be free from, when we feel we live, I become free from all material attachment, better to come here. Or if you are not coming here physically, wherever you are, in mind, live in Vrindavan. That sometimes we have some understanding, I have to stay in Vrindavan. It's not like that. Physically you have to live in Vrindavan. No. What is your mind? We are always there. Therefore, Manasiksha, Raghunath Das Goswami clearly explained. Braja Radha Krishna Pachura Parichar Shiva Mihotam. In the Vrindavan, Braj, huge service of Radha Krishnas. So we have to engage that service. We have to engage ourselves to that service. So therefore, Sarvotyaji Jiver Kartabya Kahabas. In mind or physically, both way, you can stay. But if physically staying here, mind somewhere else, you are not Vrindavan. Don't think I am in Vrindavan. No. Most important, fixing our mind to Vrindavan for servicing attitude, Radha Krishna, under the guidance of Sakhis. Under the guidance of Sakhis, Sakhir Anugata. Which Sakhis? Lalita Sakhi. It's not possible just I will do myself. I don't want to follow anybody's footsteps. I do as I like to do. It will not work. Therefore, be careful in Vrindavan. First of all, you have to know the Mahaprabhu's instruction, how he instruct different devotee, different instruction for Vrindavan. 6 Goswami, Mahaprabhu says, Lord Chaitanya says, Vrindavana jao, go to Vrindavan. Discover Lupta Tirtha means discover the pilgrimage, all the place of pastimes. Compose devotional books. Install deities. Establish temple. Stay there forever. But Jagadananda Pandit, in spiritual designation, he is like a Satyabhama. Although our Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Uma Rama Sachi Shatta Rukmini Radha Avatar Samrama. Satyabhama also Radha expansion. But Satyabhama is not, he can come. But regarding Satyabhama, means regarding Jagadananda Pandit, he says, Mahaprabhu said, Vrindavana Jayo, Narohiyo Chilokam. Go to Vrindavan, don't stay there forever. Govardhana Jayo, Nadhiko Gopal. You can go to Govardhan, but don't climb up the Govardhan hill. But nowadays, we make the road on the Govardhan hill. As in Mansi Ganga, Danghat, yeah. Very painful, but what to do? Twice or thrice, I don't know, my driver bringing me that way. Hey, what are you doing? We're supposed not to do that. We're just crossing Govardhan. It's very painful for all of us. Where Govardhan, when all the Vrindavan residents offering and Govardhan in the form of Gopal is telling everyone, bring more, means our on our village in that way appeared. So it's not like just like a mountain or hill. It is really first time is there, Lord Chaitanya, Supreme Lord Krishna, he lifted up the hill and how all the Vrindavan residents are safe, how Augusta is engaged to drink the water. So much pastimes is there. How Augusta is also. Oh, because Giriraj Govardhan is Haridas Avarja, greatest also. As soon as he look the Pulastha Rishi bringing him, bringing him to Kashi Varanasi. As soon as he reached there, then he saw, oh, this is the best place. Then he stay here. Such type of alive hill, alive devotional hill we are crossing. It's not fair. It's painful. So Vrindavan, Sarvata Jiver Kartabya Kahabas. They will live always, where they will live, the answer, say, Vrindavana Bhumi Jaha Nitya Nilaras. Vrindavan Bhumi, the land of Vrindavan, where Nitya Lila, eternally pastimes going on. Eternally Rasalila pastime going on. That is the place. How? We may come here, but if you have other desire, like a name, fame, desire, I would like to make a big temple. Nowadays you can see so many temple competition going on, not chanting competition. Temple competition, huge temple. It is good, one sense is good, decorated by temple. But also hotel is there, so many businesses there, so many land mafia coming here, land price goes touching sky. So it's like a business field, complete business field nowadays. Therefore, in mind stay in home and in mind think about transcendental Vrindavan. In that way, live that. It is too hot. It is not possible for me, looks this, so many red spots, whole body. Then Shravana Madhya Jiver kon Sreshta Shravan. Shravana Madhya Jiver kon Sreshta Shravan means hearing amongst the all contents of hearing. Which is the most important content? Most important content. We can say most important to now China and India. I don't know what is going on. Looks like something going to happen soon. Nepal, India, Pakistan, India. That we have to know. This Prabhupada, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he says, when you are fighting with the land, it is like a foolishness. Although it is not proper to say publicly, but it is really foolishness. Today I am Indian. Tomorrow I born in China. Today I am fighting with China in favor of India. I die in the battle, and tomorrow means next life I born in China. Then again I am fighting against India. This is Prabhupada's philosophy. So what I will do? If entire world, all the politicians, they understand the philosophy, they should not. If they understand the reincarnation after death, where is going to happen, what is going to happen, then they should not fight about it. they will always think, always try to hear what is eternal. Eternal, Radha Krishna Prema Leela Karana Rashayan. Radha Krishna's pastimes. Prema Leela, loving pastimes. Karana Rashayan. Make your ear satisfied. Rashayan. Satisfaction. Ear satisfaction. So, we should think about it. How much we are away from Radha Krishna's connection, that much we are attached with material greed. If some position I am holding, if someone say you are not qualified, then I feel bad. I am holding this position long time, but someone say I am not qualified to holding. I have to leave this place. Or someone say you have to leave. We feel bad. Actually, any material position materially engage you so much. So therefore, as a duty you can do as much as you can, but loving manner, we should keep attachment with spiritual services. When you think that is my duty only, my duty, once in a week, cook for Dauji, right? If Avadhut Maharaj says, Joydev, please cook also whole week, what will do? Joydev says, oh, you are treating me as like slave of this temple. That is good. This is good. Why we are not thinking, that means Dauji Maharaj inspiring Avadhut Maharaj to engage me to perform the service. If you think in that way, then I feel happy. I will get the service. Because our nature as a duty we are doing, not laughing manner. The duty, then we feel all obstacles. So, anyway, Karana Rashayan, Radha Krishna Prema Leela Karana Rashayan. To hear the Radha Krishna's pastimes, which is satisfied our ear. So what is Radha Krishna's pastimes? So many pastimes are there. How Krishna came, how Radharani also arranged all, and Radharani associates, each Sakhis, they arrange and they are meeting. It's very attractive how Krishna make fool Abhimanyu. Krishna enter to Radha's room, and then Jatila, Kutila, they are locked from outside and call Abhimanyu, look, we told you that she is associating with this black boy, but look, now we are keeping him inside. Then Krishna in the form of Kali, because Abhimanyu was worshipper of goddess Kali. Krishna, form of goddess Kali, and Radharani paying him obeisance. Paying obeisance to that goddess Kali. When Abhimanyu came and see that, where is the black boy? That is actually my worshipful deities, Kali there. So neck fool everyone. Actually, if you are not surrender, it is very difficult to understand Krishna. He may have always doubt about Krishna. But if you surrender, no doubt. He will protect us. So anyway, we can talk tomorrow. Radha Krishna's pastime. Then we go ahead. Next up is Upasya Ramadha Kon Upasya Pradhan. In that way, after 2 or 3, then one night finish, next night appear. So many nights, Radha Krishna's